all grow up watching television and we continue to watch till the end of our lives. But do you remember the first channel you saw and the first program you watched? Yes, you got it right. For most of us, it was cartoons. We all know Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Tom and Jerry and Stuart Little. All these characters always delight and entertain us. Do you know how these characters were born? And how is it possible to create wonders with the art of drawing? And the answer is animation. One of the fastest growing and most in demand industries in the world. Hi all, I'm Pabla and will be taking you through this discipline as your host on this episode of Skills Gateway brought to you by Million Lights. Animation derived its name from the Latin word anima, meaning soul. Is defined as the art of breathing life in character. Animation is an art that merges text, images, graphics, audio and video to create a visual magic. Do you know what is the growth rate and what is the market size of this industry? The size of the global animation industry was about $244 billion in 2015. The major animation markets includes US, Canada, Japan, Korea and Germany. Most of the segments in the animation industry are growing at the rate of 5% YoY. Now you can imagine huge rate by which it is growing. Do you want to know what all the course will cover? What are you going to learn with the degree in this animation? The course includes most commonly used animations, which are 2-dimensional and 3-dimensional puppet animation, clay animation, sand animation and vegetable animation as well. Toons Herculean, Adobe Flash, Cell Action, Anim Studio, Toon Boom Animation, Animaker, 3ds Max, Maya, which are some of the softwares used to create animation characters. Other subjects are animation principles and history, animation process and visual form, sound and camera, skills in drawing, composition and character design, modeling, rendering, texturing and lighting, etc. Do you want to know how to get into this field? Animation is a field that could be pursued by those who possess excellent creativity and drawing skills. If you love cartoon characters and want to make a character by yourself and maybe want to work in this industry, then I'm sure you are the right person and no one can stop you from being an animator. Eager to know the ways through which you can reach there? Let's discuss. You need to have a degree, so why not pursue what we like? In our country, we have so many institutions dedicated to animation. You can enroll in any good institute and there you go. Practice a lot, a very well-known way to succeed in industry. Practice in conceptualizing, texturing and digital cinematography. Advanced training will include working with software such as Adobe Photoshop, After Effects and Maya. And tip for this point is, try to get an internship. Internship helps you improve your skills, know the real industry and the pattern of working and networking. Concern your faculty for internship and for that, be good at them. And then the last thing is, have a certificate or work experience or internship letter, any of these. Certificates in this field are typically offered by software publishers such as Adobe, applicable software programs that animation designers can become certified in including Adobe Flash, Illustrator and After Effects. Let's discuss what would be your day-to-day life as an animator. Most of your time would be spent creating an animation which consists of idea development, pre-production, production and post-production. The characters are created in idea development. In pre-production, the ideas are converted into layouts. Script writing, storyboarding, character development, backgrounds, layout designing, animatics and voice comes under pre-production. The actual result of the story can be visualized in the production stage, which is a blend of animation, in-betweening or tweening, scanning, background preparation and coloring. Final sound recordings, color editing, testing and special sound effects are all added at the post-production stage. Post-production stage activities include editing, special effects, color correction, compositing, voice and music editing and rendering. Now you must be thinking, what is the scope in the field of animation? Let me tell you. It is a booming industry with wide job openings, and one can qualify animator and related professionals like graphic designer, multimedia developer and game developer, character designers, keyframe animators, 3D modelers, layout artists, etc. Scope exists in many sectors. Some examples are advertising, online and print news, media, film and television, cartoon production, theatre, video gaming, e-learning. Are you eager to know the gods of animation? Let's find out. Seth MacFarlane. He's the creator of TV series Family Guy and co-creator of TV series American Dad and A Cleveland Show. He also voices on many of the show's various characters. Walt Disney. Walt Disney was an American entrepreneur, cartoonist, animator, voice actor and film producer. A pioneer of American animation industry, he introduced several developments in the production of cartoons. Steve Jobs, a somewhat less than likely candidate for the list of top 100 most influential people in animation, Steve Jobs has secured a top spot. When Steve Jobs applied his incredible influence to Pixar company, he turned it from a failed George Lucas spin-off to an animation empire. This was before he went back to Apple and invented the iPod. Chuck Jones. Chuck Jones is not only a legend in the industry, but also a legend that created legends. Chuck's classic characters includes the Roadrunner, Willie E. Coyote, Pepe Le Pew, Michigan J. Frog, Marvin Martian and Charlie Dog, to name just a few. After knowing all this about animation, I am sure you want to know the kind of money you will be making. Animation is a dazzling career option. After finishing the in-house training with leading animation production studio, one can work as a junior animator with salary ranging between 12,000 to 18,000 rupees. As an animator gains expertise and experience, he can surely look forward in promotions and salary anywhere between 25 to 40,000 rupees. Those who start own business houses can explore the opportunities hidden in animation industry up to maximum extent. It's one of the gold mine fields to explore. That was all for today. Hope that this episode of Skills Gateway has been insightful. Stay creative, think different and influence your viewers with great animation. I, Pabla, would be signing off now. Keep watching Million Lights TV. For more information, give a missed call on +91 22 3077 8274. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest educational programs. Do follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram for updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.